In this video, we are going to see how we can use or enable the clear mode on TikTok. That means whenever you're watching this video or any specific video, you should not see the logo, likes, comments, and all of these options, also the channel name and all. You should be able to see a clear view of this in full screen without any distractions. So here's how you can easily turn on the clear mode. What you do is, let's say that we are scrolling through any video, and let's say this video we want to see it in clear mode. That means we want to remove everything on our right and at the bottom. All you have to do is just pinch through it with your two fingers and just enlarge it a little bit. And right now I'm screen recording, that's why it is showing that screen recording is turned on. That's why we cannot switch to clear mode, but otherwise you should be able to just pinch through it and you should be able to enter the clear mode. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.